Hey everyone, I just wanted you to see the finished product of my swag. I added more ornaments, squirrels, pine cone with birds sitting on top of a pine cone, flowers, big beautiful bow. I always forget my little truck. I got to pull it up a little bit, but this is it. And it complements the bow. Special delivery of a Christmas tree, and also special delivery of a Christmas tree. More flowers and ornaments, birds, ornaments, flowers, ornaments. So it turned out really well. I am loving on it. And this is my workshop, Wreath Making Mama. This is not gonna be stationary here. This swag is just there to help me decorate it more. So I just stuck it on the wall to apply. You can see it much better if it's on the wall somewhere rather than laying on your table. So I just wanted to show y'all the finished product of my swag, or centerpiece, because this might go on my table for Christmas. All right, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share. Hit that thumbs up if you like my content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know when I'm uploading something new. All right, talk to you guys later. Good night.